Hey Foxes, welcome back to another video, and today I'm picking winners for the art contest. So now I'm going to look up Possum AJ art contest, and I will show you all of the entries. Here's the first entry by Evie and Litleo. Here is the second entry by Melody the Owl Queen. Here's the third entry by Insect Studios. Here's the fourth entry by Meow Vision's AJ. And then here is the last entry by Peachy Kitten, right here. Guys, I'm sorry to say, but some of you did not get your entries in. So, I'm sorry if you did not get your entries in. It is August 1st, and that is the time where I pick my winners. The 3 rims is Melody the Owl Queen. You have won the 3 Rarity Mondays. So now I'm going to send those 3 Rarity Mondays to her. So yeah, let's send it to her. Congrats! You placed 3rd for my art contest. So now, let's give her prizes. So the first prize is a rear ribbon scarf. Let's send that to her. Then we're going to send her the second Rarity Monday, which is the bunny hat, I think. Yep. And then the third Rarity Monday are the cowboy shoes, I think. No, it was the rare safari hat. So let's find that and gift it on over to her. It's right here. Okay. Now, time for second place. I'll win this masterpiece that I just created. And second place goes to Meow Visions. You have won second place. Once my art has gotten approved, I will gift it to you. And last but not least, the first place prize of the pink long wrist goes to Kittens. Congratulations! So now I will gift you the prize. I will gift you your pink long wrist prize. Let's find it real quick. Right here. Congrats! You placed first on my art contest. And oops, I spelled it wrong. So there you go. Uh-oh, what did I spell wrong? Nothing is spelled wrong though. Okay, looks like Animal Jam hates me and we have to redo it. Congrats! You placed first on my art contest. Now let's gift it to you. Here it is. There you go. Oh no! Your Jamagram box is full. I have to find another way to gift you the pink long wrist. So, bye Foxes. I'll see you in my next video. And Snowy Dragon, if you see this video, please delete some Jamagrams so I can give you the pink long wrist. Bye Foxes!